Hello viewers, welcome to Trendy Outfit YouTube channel. Today I am going to show you how to make oats pancakes. Let's start. Take half cup of oats. Dry roast for 2 minutes. After dry roast, switch off the flame and let it cool down completely. After cool down, transfer into a mixie jar. Now grind the oats. Now oats powder is ready. Take a tea bowl. Next, add 1/4 tablespoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half cup of curd or buttermilk. Mix the batter. Batter is too thick, so you can add more buttermilk. Our consistency is ready. Let's start. Switch on the flame. Add butter. Cook for 1 minute on low flame. Okay, now our pancakes are ready. Our oats pancakes are ready.